Hey, check out my new gaming PC with a massive 49-inch gaming monitor from Samsung, 120 Hz refresh rate. Let's unbox the CyberPower PC. Keyboard, the mouse, there's one piece of very important information here. It says, hey, connect monitor here, not here. These are the video card output. These are the accessories, a remote. I don't know what these are. Looks like some spare parts for cable management. A power cord. This part is glass, so it is very fragile. Gigabyte graphics card, 1660 Super. There's plenty of I/O ports in the back. We also got a headphone jack, microphone input, and there's dual Wi-Fi antenna, DisplayPort, HDMI output, Ethernet cable, and four set of USB input output. From Gigabyte. And it's really efficient. When I'm not running the game, the fans does not even turn on. So that's the CPU fan, and 8 GB RAM. There's plenty of room for upgrades. That's what it looks like with the glass panel on. It is beautiful, absolutely amazing. A test to see cold boot up. I'm using a monitor light on the top. And well, that was really fast, right? Only took like seconds to boot up to the Windows. And you can change the RGB lights using this included remote. Plenty of color options. You can, of course, turn it off.